Right, so on to mastering prompting part 2, a deeper dive. Bigger fish to fry. So I've got a prompt here, creating 20 YouTube shorts in one go and an easy 30-day email campaign. So let's just talk through these now. So creating 20 YouTube shorts in one go. Basically, I said, turn this brain dump into a Rosie style prompt, or improve this prompt. And then just added my ideas to it. And what it produced was a fairly detailed script, which I could then use to create the videos. My easy 30-day email campaign. Step 1, create a prompt to analyse my business. And I can just point that to a landing page on my website, which I direct to people to as part of a marketing campaign to collate all this information. Step 2, create a prompt to identify businesses I can market to via email. So use the information about my business to try and find out who my target customers are and search the internet for them. Step 3, create a prompt to research each of these businesses it's identified and get some information about those. And then step 4, actually create the 30-day email campaign, a different one for each business. Now that's powerful. So how do you do it? So create a prompt to analyse my business. You're a business analysis assistant. Analyse the following business offerings, business name, whatever it is, products and services, the target audience, the unique value proposition they've got, the web address or landing page. Provide a clear summary of the business, including target sector, audience needs and pain points, core value delivered by this business, competitive advantages, suggested messaging themes for email campaigns. Now that gives me a nice starting point all about my business. Prompt 2, you are a lead research assistant. Generate a list of 5 businesses in the market sector we just identified. For each business, provide the name, the website, contact email if available, and a short description of their offering. Make sure these businesses match the target audience criteria provided, and then insert the result of the prompt we got before. So now we've got 5 businesses. For each one, analyse each business in the list generated in the previous step. For each business, provide the current challenges based on their market sector, possible needs this business might have, how our offering in our first prompt could help them. Recommend email campaign themes to attract their attention. So we're doing research into these 5 businesses now. And the last one is to actually create the email campaign. So it's very straightforward, that, and you'll see in the notes below the My Company Flatpack Amigos, I directed it to a landing page, it pulled the details out, it found 5 businesses online, it researched them, and then it produced an email campaign for each one. And you can automate all this, but you can do it manually to learn how it all works and start thinking about these sorts of things. And I've got the email campaign listed as a PDF, and you can read through it, and please do. You'll see how powerful this sort of stuff is. So that's it. 30-day email campaign. Create a prompt to analyse my business, identify businesses to market to, and research each of those businesses, and then create the campaign. So AI first. You can now create detailed, powerful prompts. What if I could automatically identify target customers, research them, and tailor my marketing to them? What you need to do is think about process redesign and how you're actually going to involve all this in your business. That's what AI first is about. But you've got to understand how to do the prompting in the first place.